Hey guys, welcome to another video.
Hello.
And I am doing fireworks. Oh, there's a big firework. Yep. It's Carthage and 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. And it's really cool. Ooh, look at that one. I don't think this will be copyrighted.
Okay, bye.
Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. There's a star, that white dot up there. The window's open. I'm in Carthage. We're on a street.
Yeah, we're on a highway.
We're on a highway.
It's like, yeah,
we're on a
we're on a
little
highway.
park on the highway. If I drop my towel, I'm gonna be so sad.
You're gonna be screwed.
I'm gonna be screwed. Yeah, it'll be broken, and will like have to zoom out to get it.
Oh, there's some over there.
Are you live
Oh,
on
there's
that?
some over. No,
Okay.
I don't want to have the same incident. I mean, we gotta be careful in lives. Oh, they're so pretty. Yeah, if I zoom in, it would probably be better. Oh, before the best. Okay, stop making a noise. Oh, there's some.
What, Julian?
Oh, hi, car.
I guess you can hear, but
Can you hear these fireworks? do you just see the white stuff in the sky? Oh, well, that's it for this video.
Some over here.
Bye.
where are you?
Bye.